Hi fams, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? Happy Monday. It's bright and early Monday morning, and I am up and off to taking Tyler to the doctor. Today I have his 2-year doctor appointment. So of course baby's here with me to take him to the doctor. He's over there. Hey!
Hi guys. Monday morning, the week starts with a doctor appointment. Yeah, I had to put it very early so I can go.
You'd normally be earlier than this.
No, usually I put it. Yeah, I mean for the doctor appointment. Usually I put the doctor appointment like 1 or 2 p.m.
Oh yeah.
I did that way so I can.
And normally I would have work too, but I don't have work today.
Regular 2 years. 2 years checkup. Nothing special.
Alright you guys, so we're just waiting on the bus to head to the doctor's. Tyler is here chilling. Say hi. But then kisses. Alright, sweet boy. And he's gonna bawl when he goes to the doctor as per usual. Uh-oh, that's okay. That's okay, baby. That's okay. Up. Up. Go, sit. Sit on it. It's okay. Just take your time. Take your time. Slowly. Right.
Good job.
Right. What an accident that was. Good job, baby. Slowly. Bravo. Okay, you guys, so we're back home from the doctor and we have a healthy bouncing boy as expected, but then now I have to give you an update on his PACI. So he went through the night without his PACI last night. After crying a little bit, fall asleep, went through the night without the PACI, but then I came home and he was just to put him down for a nap, and he's just looking at the one that's broken and saying, "Mama, oh, and he's just crying and saying and he's not going to sleep, and my heart just couldn't take it. I couldn't even film the experience because I was really focusing on him and the sadness and the breaking heart that I'm feeling. I couldn't take it, so I just had to give in, and I gave him his passy. So I now decided that I'm just going to leave him with his passy. Whenever he decides to stop, he stops. My fear was him needing braces like myself, but if it's a case where I need braces in the future, then boy, just gonna have to get braces. But I'm not gonna trouble him with his passy. I'm just gonna call it. I'm not gonna trouble him with his passy. It makes him happy, it makes him comfortable, so I'm just going to leave him with his passy. My heart is just breaking so much. I think I was tough enough to go through it, but I honestly can't. I can't do it. So now that he have his passy, he's quiet and he's gone to sleep. So now I'm just going to get some rest and mend my broken heart. So that's the update on the passy. I tried, but it didn't work. I can't handle it. I honestly can't handle it. I guess when he starts school, he will eventually get over it. So you guys, I called Babe literally crying after how bad I felt from the emotions of Tyler and his passy. You guys know my emotional wreck already. So of course I gave him back his passy, and look at him. Who's that happy baby with his passy?
Papa?
Where's Papa? Papa is at work. You wanna say hi? Hey, blow them kisses. Mwah. Alright, happy boy with your passy. Mama ain't gonna trouble you on your passy again, okay? You guys, he was so happy when I gave him his passy. He said thank you and blow me kisses and tell me bye bye and went right to sleep. Babe calling. I missed his call. I think today I'm going to cook veggies and some minced chicken breasts. So let's get cooking, you guys. Comment down below and tell me, guys, what you're cooking today for dinner. Let's see if we have any similarities in what we're cooking. Get a shower. Time for bath? Bath. Right. It's time for bath. It's time for bath. Right, bath. It's time for bath. Right, bath. No, give it to Papa.
Gonna, Papa.
You guys, Tyler's in such a Papa phase right now. It's so annoying. Oh my god. Sometimes there is nothing I can do to tell him that Papa soon be there. He just wants his father. He was never like that. He was always a mama's boy. But I know this would happen at some point, so I'm prepared for it. Such a Papa's boy. Oh my gosh. Watch it, watch it, watch him. Go read book. Tyler, sit. Makana your body. There you go, guys, with the Jamaican expression for today. Makana your body. If you hear Jamaican say Makana your body, simple mean you can't stay still. Tyler.
Il gagnait sa vie en taillant des bûches dans la forêt pour les vendre au marché. Cassim, lui, avait épousé la fille d'un très riche marchand. Un jour,
Makana bati.
alors qu'il
Can't
ramassait.
stay still. Say bye.
Bye.
Give me some bisous.
Bye.
Give them kisses. Blow them kisses. Give
Bye.
Papa bisous.
Mwah.
Bye.
You already get bath, my love. It's time for bed.
Bye.
Time for nap. Tala is off to bed, as you guys know, and
Il got back his passé.
he got back his passy. You guys, I called babe crying today. I couldn't take it. My heart couldn't take it. I could take when I sleep during him, maybe because he couldn't talk then, but now that he can talk and you understand what he's saying, it breaks my heart. He was just there looking at the passy and he was saying, Mama, oh no, Mama, oh no. And then he started to ask for his dad. He said, Papa, Papa. And I just couldn't take it. I honestly couldn't take it anymore. I called him and said, babe, I give in. And I'm honestly not going to trouble him and his passy anymore whenever he feels to give it up. Or when he's old enough to fully understand that, look baby, you need to stop the passy, then I think he'll be able to give it up. But I'm not gonna trouble him anymore. So yeah, that was a fail, but it's okay. It's a learning process and he'll eventually give it up. So I just want to say that my sister told me that she met one of our subscribers on the road in Jamaica and she forget to ask the person what their name was. So if you're watching, please comment down in the comment section so I can give you a shout out and thank you for watching us. We love and appreciate every single minute that you spend to watch us. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog, and I already give you guys the Jamaican expression for today. I'm just going to remind you what it was. So the Jamaican expression for today was Makana Yabati. I simply said that earlier because when Babe was reading Tyler his story, he couldn't stay still and he was moving up and down. So when we were younger, my grandmother used to say, when you can't sit still, she used to say, Maka na yabati. Maka is the little stick things that stick you when you touch it. They look like a little needle. You see what I'm talking? Like the tree have a little needle thing on it that when you touch it, it stick you.
Okay.
You see what I'm talking? It's like a little needle.
Okay.
That's what we call maca. So if you sit on it, you can't sit because it's gonna stick you in your ass. You say maca in your body.
Okay.
Say
Makana Yabati.
yes.
If you pay attention, they say not in your body, I say in your body.
Right. You're hilarious. Alright, what's the French expression?
French expression is dormir sur ses deux oreilles.
Okay.
Dormir sur ses deux oreilles simply means to sleep on your two ears. To sleep on your two ears means, for example, when you worry about some things and for example, I am beside and I say, okay, I have situation, don't worry, and I can protect you, or you can sleep on your two ears. Mean you can sleep
comfortably. Okay.
Not thinking about
Alright,
anything.
I understand. Say it again.
Dormir
Sur
ses deux oreilles.
Sur ses deux oreilles.
Sur
Ses
deux
oreilles.
Right.
Okay. Alright, you guys, so there you have the French expression. I love this one, and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're watching us for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.